What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Young Diesel TV. It's your boy Diesel. Today, we're going to take care of a few things on the TL. First, we're going to take care of the headlights. They look kind of dull and dim. And if you saw my other video on the Audi, how I did the headlights, I'm going to use the same product, ceramic coat, well, Cerakote ceramic coating. So this is the product I'm going to be using again, the Cerakote ceramic coating headlight restoration kit. So since I did the video on the Audi, I'm not going to go through the whole thing. It's just a three-step process: remove the oxidation, prepare the surface, and the ceramic coating. So like I said, I'm not gonna do the whole thing. I'll just show clips of each step and then move on. Because after I'm done cleaning the headlights, I'm also probably gonna put like the wing that I got for it. Hopefully it works out, but we'll see. Check it out. Everything is clearly marked, step 1, 2, and 3. So there's no mistaking what the process is, or which step you're gonna do first. Just pay attention, people. One thing you wanna remember before using this product, make sure you mask the area that you're gonna be working on, because you don't want it on your paint. It's coming along nicely so far. Only used a couple of pads, but it's coming along. See the yellow on the pad, removing all that oxidation. Next, we use the disc. Make sure you keep the headlight wet and wet the disc. After you use the pads, it should look hazy. Both headlights are hazy. So now we're about to do the final step. All right, and this is the last step, to coat the headlights. Looks a lot better, a whole lot better. You can see both sides are done, nice and clear. Now we just let it dry for about an hour, and don't let it get wet or anything like that, and try to keep dust off of it. All right, so check it out. You already know what the next step is. I ordered the wing from Spoiler King, so let's open this thing up and see. Here's the finished product. This is actually the wing for the A4. This is the same wing that I have on the A4. I might have to do just a little slight alteration, make it flush with the trunk. But like I said, I didn't like the stock one. The factory one is, I just didn't like it. So All right, so it's the next day. We're gonna take a look at how the headlights look and how the wing looks. Lights look better compared to what they were before. They look better. So now I just gotta clean the car, but you can see it's raining. I don't know why this thing keeps losing focus. As for the wing, I like it. You know, everybody has that stock wing, which has the camera up here. Well, I like this one better. Yeah, it's dirty and it's high, but we're gonna take care of that wheel gap soon. Plus it's winter, so I'm not too worried about it. All right, so you guys have seen the headlights, seen the wing. Let me know what you think about it. You know, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments section. I try to respond to everyone that I can. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.